Hey everyone, we're going to focus on the Logitech PRO X TKL RAPID today, a high-end gaming keyboard made especially for esports athletes and picky gamers. Packed with cutting-edge innovations that improve the gaming experience, this model is the first Logitech G keyboard to come with magnetic analog switches and adjustable pressure points. The PRO X TKL RAPID's superior build quality and well-considered design are immediately apparent when you open the package. The casing, made from a mix of recycled aluminum and plastic, is both durable and lightweight, ensuring it remains portable while firmly planted during intense gaming sessions. Wider mouse motions are made possible by the compact TKL configuration, which does away with the numeric keypad. Gamers that require accuracy and quickness in their gameplay would particularly benefit from this arrangement. The keyboard is available in 3 colors, pink, white, and black, to accommodate a range of personal preferences. With its detachable USB-C cable, which is placed close to the left edge for an ergonomic configuration, the Logitech PRO X TKL RAPID provides convenience even though it is a wired keyboard. The 1.8-meter cable length offers plenty of flexibility and facilitates clutter-free connection. There are additional keys above the basic keyboard layout that are specifically used for handling media controls, setting RGB backlighting, and switching between game mode. With built-in settings that can be changed without the need of Logitech's G-Hub software, RGB lighting is incredibly customizable. The keyboard's keycaps are interchangeable and compatible with third-party sets, which is ideal for gamers who want individualized looks. These switches, which were created by Logitech G engineers, have a high linear response and are actuated precisely and quickly. Complete keystroke resets are no longer necessary thanks to the groundbreaking rapid trigger feature, which resets key presses at the smallest release. Reaction speed is much improved by this invention, which is a crucial benefit in competitive gaming. Additionally, users may fine-tune the keyboard to their desired sensitivity with the adjustable actuation points, whether they like more tactile resistance or featherlight presses. Additionally, only 35 grams of effort are needed to activate the switches, making prolonged gaming sessions comfortable and fatigue-free. The SOSD feature of the keyboard is one of its most inventive features. It precisely interprets simultaneous keystrokes, such as left and right or forward and backward. Such inputs are frequently misinterpreted by conventional keyboards, producing unexpected results. The PRO X TKL RAPID flawlessly resolves these conflicts. The KCOL function, which enables users to generate profiles with different actuation levels and load configurations designed by professional players, is another noteworthy feature. The Logitech PRO X TKL RAPID's smooth operation, rapid actuation, and pleasing tactile feedback make it an impressive device. The dedicated media controls make music management easier without taking away from gameplay, and the RGB lighting is bright without being overbearing. This keyboard is a useful tool for gamers who want to maximize their gaming setup because it is small and fashionable. In conclusion, the Logitech PRO X TKL RAPID is a unique model in the gaming keyboard industry because of its cutting-edge technology, superb design, and dependability. Because of its performance possibilities, it's perfect for both seasoned pros and prospective gamers who want speed and accuracy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.